Hi, today our topic for discussion is two candlestick pattern part 1. Since I can't take all candlestick together, so I've decided to break it into two parts. So let's start with part 1, first type. Let us start with the first type of candle, bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It is a two candle reversal pattern and it is seen in downtrend. The first candle that you spot in downtrend is a black candle with a small real body, followed by a white candle with a larger real body. In the downtrend, when you spot these two candles, the white candlestick will look as if it is engulfing the black candlestick, as if it is fully covering the black candlestick. This is where we confirm that this is bullish engulfing pattern. You also have to note over here that after engulfing candle, a strong bullish candle serves as a confirmation of beginning of the uptrend. Similarly, a large volume on the engulfing day increases the probability of reversal. The one thing that we note in this pattern is that in the downtrend, when a black candle is noted followed by a white candle, over here the white candle's opening is lower to the black candle. That means the sellers is trying to push the market down, but the buyers are picking up and suppressing the sellers and purchasing more and more shares of that company, due to which the trend is going to reverse and it becomes bullish trend. The second type of candlestick pattern is bearish engulfing pattern, which is seen in uptrend. So you will spot two candles. The first will be the white candle with a smaller real body, and the second will be a black candle with a larger real body, and it will look as if the black candle is engulfing the white candle. When you note this pattern, you have to also note few other points. The first is, after the engulfing candle, a strong bearish candle serves as confirmation of beginning of this downtrend. Similarly, a large volume on the engulfing day increases the probability of reversal. One more thing that you note over here is that the black candle opens higher to the close of previous day's white candle, which means that the buyers are trying to push the market up, but the sellers are suppressing the buyers and they are selling more of stock, due to which the share price of that particular company is moving down, thereby leading to a bearish trend. Let us come to the third type, which is called as bullish piercing candlestick pattern. It is seen in the downtrend. Here you will spot two candles. The first candle will be black candle with a larger real body, followed by gap down, a white candle with a larger real body. The white candlestick over here covers more than half of the length of the red candle. That means it can cover 50% or more than 50% of the red or black candle. There are some additional things that you have to note over here. The first thing is the volume being traded over here. So during the second candlestick, if you find a large volume being traded, you can confirm that there is sure shot going to be trend reversal. Also, if you find the gap between the second day opening and the first day closing is more, that means the reversal is going to be very strong. There is one more point that you have to notice over here. It is that the white candlestick opening is lower to the black candlestick close, which means that the bears are trying to pull the market down as much as possible, but the buyers over here have entered and started purchasing more and more shares of that particular company, thereby pushing up the market, which leads to trend reversal into a bullish trend. This is the fourth type of candlestick pattern, which is called as bearish piercing pattern. It is seen in the uptrend, and there are two candlesticks that is spotted over here. The first candlestick is white in color with a larger body, with a gap up, followed by a black candlestick with a larger body. Over here, the black candle covers more than the half of the length of the white candle. Here, if the gap between the second day opening and the first day closing is more, the reversal seems more strong. Similarly, the large volume during the pattern, especially the second candle, that is a black candle, increases the signal of reversal. So now let us understand the whole candlestick pattern. So first thing that we note over here is that the market is bullish. It has a positive sentiment over here. You see a white candlestick followed by a black candlestick which opens higher to the close of the white candlestick, but immediately there is a bears who are entering in and are suppressing the bullish market. They are suppressing the buyers and they are pushing the market down, thereby leading to a trend reversal.